A massive drone attack has struck a major online retail hub, killing 7 people, sparking fears of escalating conflict that could impact the global economy and destabilize the region. You need to know how this incident will affect the ongoing war, and we'll break down the details for you. For years, this conflict has been defined by brutal frontline battles and city sieges. But as the war enters 2026, the strategy has shifted. Kyiv is now targeting the economic arteries that fuel the Russian war machine. By striking logistics hubs and commercial infrastructure, Ukraine aims to destabilize the domestic economy and break civilian morale. This escalation marks a turning point in the air campaign, moving beyond traditional military targets to hit the heart of the nation's consumer supply chain. Ukraine has launched the largest drone strike of 2026, targeting the heart of Russia's e-commerce infrastructure. The primary target was a massive wild berries distribution hub near Moscow, an operation designed to cripple the economy and shatter domestic morale. 7 people are confirmed dead following the strike, which left the depot engulfed in flames. This attack marks a strategic shift toward high-value economic targets. Meanwhile, the reach of the operation extended beyond the primary target, with reports confirming a drone was downed in Romania. The Institute for the Study of War notes, this is part of a broader campaign to disrupt logistics and financial stability. The scale of the strike underscores a growing capability in long-range precision warfare. This is more than a tactical strike. By targeting a primary logistics hub, Kyiv is shifting the war from the front lines to the domestic economy. It is a direct hit to civilian morale and supply chains. The immediate takeaway is clear. Ukraine now has the capability to paralyze internal commerce deep inside enemy territory. While this puts immense pressure on the Kremlin, it also invites a more aggressive retaliatory cycle. Watch for whether this becomes a pattern of attacking non-military infrastructure to force a diplomatic breakthrough. This is now a war of economic attrition. Ukraine's largest drone strike of 2026 has crippled a critical pillar of the Russian economy. Does targeting commercial logistics change the trajectory of this war? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more breaking updates.